We're going to find the zeros of this polynomial, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is get out the old graphing calculator and enter the polynomial. I'm using this button to put the x's in. I'm using this button to put the powers in, and I'm press graph, and it'll draw a picture, and I'm going to look for a good place where the graph touches the x-axis. That looks like it's between values. That's between values, but this is happening at what looks like 1, 2, 3, positive 4. And 4 is a number that goes into 36, so it seems like a reasonable thing. And since I use the graph of that polynomial, if this 4 doesn't work, it means either I graphed it wrong, or I did my math wrong somewhere along the way, or my setup's wrong. This should give us 0 for sure. Drop the 8 down, multiply, put that inside, add, put that outside, multiply inside, add, that makes negative 9. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36, and as promised, we do get a 0. So one of the zeros definitely is 4. To find the remaining 2, we're going to use this quadratic. How do I know it's quadratic? Because this 8 was 8x cubed, so this 8 is 8x squared, minus 6x minus 9. And maybe this factors, we'll try. I'm going to think of things that multiply to make 8. So maybe it's 1 and 8, maybe it's 2 and 4. And things that multiply to make 9. 1 and 9, 3 and 3. And I'm going to try the 2x and the 4x to get 8x squared. And then to get 9, I'm going to go with 3 and 3, just to see what happens. It looks like I'll get a 12x, and I'll get a 6x. And they'll have opposite signs, because that's negative. So if the 12 is negative and the 6 is positive, I can get negative 6x in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and make this negative and this positive. So then to take each of these factors and set them equal to 0, we'll finish off this problem. I'll take 2x minus 3, set that equal to 0. That means that 2x has to equal 3. That means x has to equal 3 over 2. And then I'll take 4x plus 3, set that equal to 0. That means 4x would have to equal negative 3. And if I divide both sides by 4, x would equal negative 3/4. So all the zeros for this polynomial are 4, 3 halves, and negative 3/4. Good luck.